Hey, 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 good looking. Want to see what we have cooking? Well, grab a hold of that vine and swing right on to my kitchen and let's get cooking. Good looking. Today, I'm going to do steamed hamburgers just like White Castle did, but we're going to do ours in our Instapot here. So let's go ahead and jump right on into the recipe. Let's set up our Instapot. You're going to need the trivet. We're going to put that right down inside of our Instapot. I have 1 cup of water. We're going to add that as well. And I already got 2 packages of my White Castle hamburgers that we're going to steam cook. So I'm just going to set them right on top of that trivet, right down inside of my Instapot. And I'm going to sit there and show you how I assembled these packages that I've already inserted inside of our Instapot. Go ahead, grab yourself a sheet of aluminum foil, place that down. I already have made my hamburger patty. Place that right in the center of our tin foil. Now we're just going to sit there and add our seasonings. I go ahead and I put down just a little bit of kosher salt along with some pepper. And then I grab some chopped onion and we put some chopped onion on. Now I'm just using the dehydrated chopped onion. If you want to use fresh, go right on ahead. I'm using the dry chopped. We're going to sit there, sprinkle some onion powder down. I'm sorry, I'm not left-handed, folks, so I had to sit there and switch hands. I'm going to grab some onion powder as well. Sprinkle some of that down. And then one of the last ingredients, I use a little bit of the Worcestershire sauce. Just put a few dashes on. We don't need that much. So go ahead. And now it's just simply folding the package up. So I usually just fold it like this, get it started in the middle, and I work my way right on out to the edges. So I'm going to finish folding the top off on this one, and we'll be right back. Then I just fold the sides on in. There ain't no rhyme or reason to it. Just you fold up your packets the way that feels the most comfortable for you. To me, I just like doing it this way because, like I said, whatever's the most simple for you, go ahead and do it. So I'm just going to finish like so, and there's your packet. I grab the packet. Now I'm just going to place it right on inside of my Instapot along with my other packets. I have 1 cup of water that you see me put inside of the Instapot. Now we're going to come down here and we're going to increase the time to 15 minutes. I'm going to grab my top, to my Instapot. We're going to lock it on. We're going to close the vent. And we're going to allow it to build the pressure up inside the Instapot. So let me go grab my cover and we'll be right back. Okay, I grabbed my cover. Like I said, lock it on. Make sure that we have our vent up here in the seal position. And now it's just letting our Instapot build up the pressure and to cook for the 15 minutes. Then we're going to do a quick release. I'll be back then. We're on our last minute, so as soon as my Instapot sounds off, we're going to sit there, come up here, and we're just going to do a quick release. Okay, the Instapot has just sounded off as what you hear. Now, let's just come up here, do a quick release. Let's go ahead, open up our Instapot. Always open it up away from you. And there is our nice steamed hamburgers. Okay, I'm going to grab one out. We're going to bring it right down here. No, I'm not going to go fancy dancy and put it on a bun today. I just have some ordinary bread, and we're going to put our steamed hamburger right on a slice of bread. We're going to sit there, put the condiments on that you would want, and we're just going to put another slice of bread right over the top of it. Easy peasy. Now, with our steamed packet of our hamburger, let's go ahead, open that up. I just tear it open, and I'm going to sit there, grab my steamed hamburger, and we're going to put it right on top of my bread here. And I'm going to sit there and have coleslaw along with macaroni and cheese to go along with our steamed burgers. I'm choosing just to have a plain burger. My husband, he's going to have cheeseburgers on his. So I'm just going to squirt a little bit of ketchup because that's how I like mine. I'm going to grab my other piece of bread. We're going to put that down. Now, let's give it a taste test. That is rather tasty. And let me tell you, by having a steamed burger, there's really no cleanup except for throwing away your packet of aluminum foil that you used to steam it in. So I'm going to fix up the rest of my bowl here of the coleslaw and my macaroni and cheese, and we're calling it a supper. So if you liked what you saw here today with the steamed hamburgers, please give me a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe. And what you all can do to help me out is by watching some of my old videos. Give me some well-needed watch time, because that's how you can help my channel out to grow. And as always, here's to happy cooking, but better yet, happy eatings. Y'all come back now, you hear?